And as millions flee the path of Hurricane Matthew, they leave their homes behind. Homes that will no doubt sustain considerable damage from the fierce winds and even worse from the rising water. Diana Olick takes a look at just what's at risk.
No matter how much Floridians shore up and board up, there will be damage to the state's homes, most notably from the storm surge, which could reach 9 feet. CoreLogic ran the numbers, and they are staggering for a Category 4 hurricane. In Florida alone, 954,000 homes are at risk of storm surge damage. The reconstruction value of these homes is just over $189 billion. In Daytona Beach, which could get the worst of it, there are 97,000 homes in its path with reconstruction value of over $19 billion. As the storm moves up the coast, 138,000 coastal homes in Georgia lie in its path, reconstruction costs there of $30 billion. By the time it gets to South Carolina, forecasters expect Matthew will have weakened to a Category 2 storm, but 124,000 homes are still at risk of flood damage, with $32 billion in reconstruction. The numbers are considerably higher today than they were when Hurricane Andrew hit in 1992. Florida was the epicenter for the housing boom and bust, and construction there is strong again now. More than 200,000 new homes have been built in the last decade, according to John Burns Real Estate Consulting. And that doesn't count the many, many new residential towers still sprouting up in Miami. And while building materials have improved in the last decade and new codes require things like shutter systems and high-impact glass, very little has been done in terms of construction engineering to help mitigate the damage from these storm surges. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Diana Olick in Washington.